Hello class, and today we'll be learning about the states of matter, solid, liquids, and gases. They all have masses, which you'll learn here in this song. More importantly, we will be doing an independent project at the end of this lesson, or lessons. Be prepared for that. Be taking notes over this song and further presentations that we will have. Other words, let's look at this song and let's learn it. Alrighty, so that song was very informative. Solid, liquids, and gases. Solids are firm and hard, cannot be changed. Liquids are very fluid and has a lot of movement. They can change shape with the change of their container. And then gases is something that you can't see, so you can't contain it. This song that we just listened to can be found on our class website under the videos tab. You will just scroll past our ASL lesson and you'll look at this. Like I said earlier, there will be a project at the end of the week, and then next time we will be learning more about solids, liquids, and gases. There will be a small quiz, so be prepared for that. Go over your notes and items, and we'll take that quiz in just shortly. So y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank you for coming.